From tiny acorns. If somebody says to you, from tiny acorns, what do they mean? The phrase from tiny acorns implies that something significant or impressive can develop from a very small or humble beginning. It suggests that even small and seemingly unimportant things can eventually become much larger and more significant. The metaphor comes from the idea that an acorn is a small seed from which an oak tree grows. At first, the acorn may seem tiny, but given time and the right conditions, it can become a mighty oak tree. So, when somebody says to you, from tiny acorns, they're encouraging you to develop the idea or action you just told them about, because it could lead to something huge. Unless of course your acorn gets eaten by a squirrel. Thanks for watching. You'll find more of our videos here.